Hi guys, let us discuss Essay 210. What is Essay 210? Agreeing upon the terms of audit engagement. We are now discussing the initial audit engagement or fresh audit. First step, what the auditor has to do. He has to check whether there is preconditions in existence. What is preconditions? As we know, audit is an examination of financial statement. Whose responsibility to prepare financial statement? Business is running every day and the accounting staffs has to input the entries into the systems which is get posted into the ledgers, thereafter trial balance, then from the trial balance financial statement is ready. So it's a business process, thus the responsibility will become the management. How they have to prepare financial statement? For an example, in case of company, Schedule 3 and 4. For banking company, as per RBI schedules, insurance company, as per Insurance Act. These are the applicable financial reporting framework for them. Number 2. For an example, I'm telling, I went to a company. They're telling that they are maintaining their books of account in single entry system. They are requesting me to prepare the financial statement and conduct audit. Is it possible? I think no. Auditor cannot do the both functions, either the bookkeeping function or the auditing functions. So it's the duty of the management to prepare the financial statement. It's their responsibility. Number 2, they have to maintain the internal controls for enabling preparation of financial statement which are free from fraud and error. Why? Because audit is conducted to find out, to give an expressions or opinion whether fraud and error is exist in the financial statement or not. So those control also management responsibility. After starting audit, what is the next step? Management has to give informations. Upon checking the ledgers, detailed analysis of the ledgers, auditor might ask the information about the vouchers and documents. If he is not satisfied, then what is the next step? He will ask the additional informations, isn't it? After that, he might inspect the premises of the client. So management has to give all the supports at every time, all time, not the business time. Other time also, auditor can inspect the premises or the places where books of accounts has been kept. These are the part of management responsibilities we are discussing about. Then both parties, auditor and the clients, comes to an common understand should be exist. Thus, this is an aspect of agreements. After that, auditor has to draft the audit engagement letter. What are the contents in the audit engagement letter? Number 1, management responsibility, which we have discussed just before. Auditor's responsibility. What is auditor's responsibility? To express an opinion whether financial statement contains fraud and error, or certain aspects contain fraud and error, or totally financial statements contains fraud and error. What will happen if the preconditions doesn't exist? He has to discuss with the owners or those charges with governance. They can't also not handle if laws and regulations permit, resign from the engagement. Let us now move ahead. What about the recurring audit? Whether the engagement letter has to be drafted? No, unless there is a changes in the business environment or laws and regulations. Or one more situations where the audit engagement letter should be amended or we have to be done it fresh. What is those situations? Recurring audit is for a period of 5 years. When I was entered into the business, it was a small organization. It's grown upon, grown. Now the 4th year, they asked me, Vivek, this year, you have to check the quality engagement, quality of the financial statement. Just check the quality of the financial statement. And the other people, other company will do the audit functions, assurance functions. I'm thinking, what is the wrong with me to do these lower assurance functions? I don't think it's reasonable. Why? Because I'm competent to do that. Then I should withdraw from the engagement. Otherwise, I'm thinking that it's reasonable, okay, no problem for me. It is for the double checking process. Then I will accept, I will redraft. Why? Because the terms has been changed as the assurance functions to the quality functions. Then one more, the last aspects we are discussing here. I entered into the premises, I start the audit work. Then management imposes certain restrictions. They're telling that you should not access there, you should not do that, or you should not take confirmation this and that. They are like an umpires. They are controlling us. What we will do in that situations? It is restrictions on our work actually. Somebody else is controlling us, which will ultimately lead to we are not getting the sufficient evidence, and we have to disclaim the audit opinion. Better discuss with TCWG and withdraw from the engagement. Or they're giving us some pressures. They require financial statement within 2 days or 3 days. Unwanted pressures. Discuss with TCWG. If still the problems is not solving, withdraw from the audit engagement. So thus it is our small discussions about SA 210. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.